Hi guys, I'm Raven Mangila. Now I will discuss to you the division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division. In this section, we will look at the two methods to divide polynomials. We have long division, also similar to arithmetic long division, and synthetic division, a quicker shorthand method. The first method that we will be doing is long division. Here are the steps in solving long division.
Steps for long division. 1. Arrange in decreasing power of exponent. 2. Divide the first term of the dividend by the first term of the divisor. 3. Multiply the partial quotient to the divisor. 4. Subtract the result from the dividend. 5. Bring down the next term in the dividend. 6. Repeat the process until done. Here are some examples. Our first example is 3x squared plus 4x negative 5 divided by x positive 1. This is our first example. Using long division, we will write this as x plus 1 divided by 3x squared plus 4x negative 5. This is how we write when it comes to long division. Now we will divide 3x squared divided by x. To make it simple to you, I will do this. 3x squared divided by x is 3x. Now we will put above the dividend of 4x. Then 3x times x is 3x squared. Then 3x times 1 will be positive 3x. Now we will subtract the result from the dividend and change the sign. This positive 3x will be negative 3x, then this positive 3x squared will be negative. Then 3x squared minus negative 3x squared will be cancelled. Then positive 4x minus negative 3x will be positive 1x. Now we will bring down the next term, the negative 5. Then repeat the process. 1x divided by x, both x are cancelled, and the answer will be positive 1. Positive 1 times x will be positive 1x, and 1 times 1 will be positive 1. Now we will change the sign and subtract. The positive 1 minus negative 1 will be cancelled out. Then negative 5 minus negative 1 will be negative 6. And this is our remainder. Our answer will be written as 3x plus 1 negative. If what sign of the remainder will be the sign of the numerator and the denominator will be negative. And our numerator will be 6 and our denominator will be x plus 1. The remainder will be put in the numerator. Our divisor will be put in the denominator. And this is our final answer. Our second example will be x cubed plus 4x negative 5 divided by x negative 2. As we can see, there's a gap between x cubed plus 4x. Now, this x cubed plus 4x negative 5 will be written as x cubed plus 0x squared plus 4x negative 5. By long division, we will write this as x negative 2 divided by x cubed plus 0x squared plus 4x negative 5. Now, x cubed divided by x equals x squared. X squared times x is x cubed. X squared times negative 2 is negative 2x squared. Then change the sign and subtract. Positive x cubed minus x cubed will be cancelled out. Then, positive 0x squared minus positive 2x squared will be 2x squared. Then, just bring down the next term is the 4x. Then repeat the process. Now both of this will be divided. 2x squared divided by x equals 2x. Then 2x times x is 2x squared. Then 2x times negative 2 is negative 4x. Then subtract and change the sign. Now 2x squared minus 2x squared will be cancelled out. Then positive 4x minus positive 4x will be positive 8x. Then we will just bring down the remaining term is negative 5. Then 8x divided by x, both x are now cancelled and our answer will be 8. Now 8 times x will be 8x. Then 8 times negative 2 is negative 16. Change the sign and subtract. Positive 8x minus 8x will be cancelled out. Then, negative 5 minus positive 16 is positive 11. And 11 will be our remainder. This can be written as x squared plus 2x plus 8 positive 11 over x negative 2. Our remainder will be put in the numerator and our divisor will be put in the denominator. This is our final answer.
Now we will just go forward in our second method, the synthetic division. Here are the steps for solving synthetic division.
Steps for synthetic division. 1. Identify the divisor and reverse the sign of the constant term. Write the coefficient of the polynomials in standard form. 2. Bring down the first coefficient. 3. Multiply the first coefficient by the new divisor. Identify the result under the next coefficient and add. 4. Repeat the step of multiplying and adding until the remainder is found. 5. Go backwards from the remainder and assign variables. Here are some examples. Our example here are just the same in the long method. By the use of synthetic division, we can finalize the answer that we got in long division. Now our first example is 3x squared plus 4x negative 5 divided by x plus 1. The first things to do is to identify the divisor. Then reverse the sign of the constant term. The x plus 1 equals 0 will be x equals negative 1. This is our new divisor. Now, we will write the coefficient and constant of the polynomials in each term in standard form. The coefficient of x squared is 3. The coefficient of positive 4x is 4. And the constant of negative 5. Now we will bring down the first coefficient is positive 3. Now we will multiply the first coefficient by the new divisor. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Now we will add this is equals to positive 1. Positive 1 times negative 1 is equals to negative 1. Then, negative 5 plus negative 1 is negative 6. Then this is our remainder. Now we will go backward from the remainder and assign variables. This can be written as 3x plus 1 and negative because our remainder is negative and 6 over x plus 1. And this is our final answer. As we can see, the answers are just the same, but we do that in different kinds of methods. Our second example in synthetic division is x cubed plus 4x negative 5 divided by x negative 2. Now, as we can see, there's a gap between x cubed plus 4x. Now, this x cubed plus 4x negative 5 will be written as x cubed plus 0x squared plus 4x negative 5. Now, we will find our new divisor. Now, we will transpose negative 2 to the right side and will be x equals positive 2. And this is our new divisor. Now we will write the coefficient and constant in each term of the polynomials in standard form. We have 1, 0, positive 4, negative 5. Then bring down positive 1. Then 1 times 2 will be 2. 0 plus 2 will be 2. 2 times 2 will be 4. 4 plus 4 will be 8. 8 times 2 will be positive 16. Negative 5 plus 16 is positive 11. Then this is our remainder. This can be written as x squared plus 2x plus 8 plus 11 over x minus 2. And this is our final answer. As we can see, in the first example in long division and the second example in synthetic division, their answers are just the same. Those are the two methods in dividing polynomials.